Hi, sorry we haven't made a video in a long time. It's because we were busy the past week. So today we are doing a video where it's still slime and cube included, but we're not making it, we're reviewing it. So we're starting with these three slimes. It's from the Play-Doh company. See, Play-Doh slime. So I have not opened this yet because these are still in the package. So I think it's supposed to be maybe cereal slime. I don't know, but let's just start with the purple one. So we're gonna play with it and then we're gonna put the beads in. So let's move these to the side. Perfect. These are really good, actually. They feel like slime. Like they feel like a homemade slime, but when they don't. So we're gonna be doing some tests. We're gonna be doing the poke test, the bubble test, and the, what is it? The slime swirl test, and then it will also be graded on the little crunchies that it makes when it goes like that. Dad. Okay. So, let's start. We're gonna start off with the poke test. So let's kind of flatten it so we can have more space to click, to poke it. So let's do this. It gets an A. So now let's do the bubble test. It gets a B minus. Actually a B plus. And then now we're gonna do a slime swirl. I'm just gonna put this on my hand. This can go on forever. This one. So it gets a... Actually, no, we have to crunch it first. B. So now we're gonna add these beads to it since it was the purple one that we opened. So Daddy, can you open it?
I'll open it. Daddy to the rescue. This is called a Daddy Rescue Slime, and we open it up. What do you guys think about our new background? Here you go. I'm here to help.
Yep. So now that they are opened, we are gonna add these beads, maybe a little bit at a time. Never mind, a lot of them at one time. These three beads are like staying in the package and they're not coming out. It's like they're staying home. They don't want to come play with everybody else. So let's put them all on the slime. These feel really nice. They're not, like, they're kind of squishy, but like, they're hard to explain. It looks like cereal. Dad, look, cause,
Yeah, it looks like total cereal.
see, cause the slime is white.
Wow.
See?
Incredible.
And then these things are like, see, look. It looks like cereal all the way.
Totally. Did you ever put cereal in your slime?
No.
Would
I
you
put
ever-
cereal in a donut.
Would you ever eat cereal slime? Gross.
No. Sorry, that confused me for a second. So the beads kind of fall out because like it had too much beads. But that's how much cereal I put in my cereal. Or that's how much beads I put in my cereal.
In your slime.
Well, yeah,
Maybe we should call that slime cereal slime.
cereal slime, yeah. That's a good name. But since it's purple, it's gonna be purple cereal slime. Ooh, we should get Mom's label maker and put cereal slime on it. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So once I put in the beads, it feels great. It feels like it's gonna be crunchy, but it doesn't crunch. Well, it still crunches, but it'll probably crunch the same even if I didn't put the beads in. But it still feels good. I don't regret putting the beads in at all. So that was it for the purple one. Now let's put this back in the container. Now we have the blue slime, so let's open that up. Ooh. Yeah, this is milky slime now. It's called milky slime now. Wait. Yeah, it's not gonna come out by itself. I feel so sad now that I added the beads to the purple one. Because they're all the same. Because this one used to be so, like, it used to be like this one, and this one is like so good. You know, I'm gonna take out the purple one and see the difference. Cereal with cereal. So the cereal and the milk, and then just the milk. It feels better without the cereal. I regret it. I think I regret it. I feel like I regret it. I feel sad now. This one. So let's do the test all over again. That was the poke test. Yeah, this one doesn't do a bubble anymore. I'm pretty sure this one might. Oh no, same thing. But like, it just felt, the texture just felt better. I like not putting beads in slime for some reason. I think it feels more fresh. My friend loves putting beads in slime. Meanwhile, I don't. You know, we made this slime smoothie together, and she put like all the beads in hers, and I just put like foam beads. She put like fishbowl beads and all that fun stuff. So all of that done, putting it away, let's put in the blue beads for the bloom container. Oh, I did it!
Woohoo!
Let's put this out to put the beads in. Wait. I feel like this would be super cool. It's okay, we can still put it on there. It looks like it's on the clouds. So let's try it with this many and see how it feels. Put this in there. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering where I got this, I got it off of online on Amazon.
Amazon's the best, huh?
That's where we get a lot of slime, cause like it's harder to go to Target since I have like 3 brothers and sisters. It feels the same, like the purple one. It feels the same. It looks the same, but it just has more beads. But like it feels and looks the same. But we have to put all of them. But I'll put all of them for you guys. So let's go. They all fell out. I should have known better. It's harder to poke it, but the texture is great. I feel like they would have put it on the title if it were cereal. Sorry. Yeah, touch it.
Ah, it feels so much like cereal. I wish you guys can feel this.
It does not feel like cereal.
It feels like, it looks like cereal slime.
It does, but like, I feel like they would have put it on the title if it were cereal slime.
It's true. But they didn't.
So is it cereal slime?
I'm not sure.
You guys can put that down in the comments if you think it is, or if you agree with me. Okay, now on to the next one. So we got the pink one. Now let's open this. Yeah, it's, I figured it's also white. It doesn't poke as good as it doesn't poke that good in the jar, but it still pokes. Oh, it feels so good. I feel like I shouldn't put the beads in this one. I still want to enjoy it with just the milk.
I agree. Let's just call that one the milk slime.
Yeah, but I still want to put in the beads. So these beads are like, it has pink and then the chocolate chips in it. I don't know what those purple ones are. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and I learned how to open it myself with this little line thing.
Awesome.
Wow. Actually, I didn't learn how to do it. Daddy, can you open it?
And now for my magic trick. It's not open.
Are we gonna edit that?
And now it's open.
Yes. So let's flatten this out.
I'm here all week.
And then after this video, we might not have a lot of videos for like as long as last time, but we're gonna try to make a video every week so we don't leave you guys hanging. So yeah. See, I told you, it looks really pretty with the beads. Here, look, I'm gonna take some of this milky slime off. Let's put some of that. Okay. It's too much beads for this much slime. It's too old for this much beads. It's like getting stringy because it has too much beads and just this tiny slime. I'm just gonna put this one back in. Okay. It looks really, really pretty. I like how it has these pink beads in it. This one, and it's like a star. They're not the pink. So let's put these all back in. So yeah, it's really nice. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.
Don't forget to press the share button and
Yes.
invite someone to watch the video.